Hello. So making a gel. So you're going to have a little box, right? Your little white mini PCR box. And that's going to be where you find your gel tabs, right? But you also, gel tabs. So you're going to put one of these gel tabs into this little cup, put 20 milliliters of water in it, microwave it for 45 seconds. It'll have a little orange tint to it. And then you're going to make your electrophoresis buffer. To make your electrophoresis buffer, use this blue cap tube I gave you. Fill it up to 30 milliliters of your distilled water. And then, because I didn't give you anything to measure a milliliter with, you're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon. So you're going to take this and you're going to measure a 1/4 teaspoon, and you're going to pour that into your 30 milliliters of water to get your electrophoresis buffer. Okay. And then once your gel is ready out of the microwave, you pour it into the gel tray, and the combs are found on the bottom here. So you can see I've already poured it, but you pour it in here, and you put the comb. There's two places you can put the comb, but I want you to put the comb in the position furthest back. And so now you can see that my gel is already cast. It's already solid. You can kind of feel it and see that it's solid. And then you can just wiggle the comb out just gently. And then you're going to take the gel tray out, and you're going to put it into the blue gel. So I've taken the lid off the blue gel, and you can see there's little grooves here. You're going to slide it in the grooves, and now it's in the box. And then you're going to pour your electrophoresis buffer over the gel, so the gel will be covered. And then that's when you're going to load your samples into the little wells of the gel. And I'll show you in a different video how to do that. And then you're going to put the lid on and then plug it in and just turn on the power, and that will run the gel. And then you'll have the blue light you're going to turn on in order to visualize the DNA, but you're not going to be able to see anything right at first. It's going to take 10-15 minutes before the DNA even gets into the gel enough for you to see it. But the best way for you to visualize the DNA is you put this completely over the gel box, and you can put your camera. There's a hole where you put your camera lens in here, and then you can take a picture of your gel. An important tip is you don't want to load your gel unless you're sure that the power cable is going to reach wherever you're going to plug it in, because moving the gel will slosh your sample out of the gel. So don't load your samples on the gel until you're in a place in which you can go ahead and plug it in and turn it on.